battery is low. It could be that we have a short somewhere in all of our amazing wiring here. Could be we have a short. But this device, which is the Adafruit Power Boost 1000, I just had the voltmeter on there, and every once in a while, you'll hear a loud, like an audible chirp from it, and then voltage out of the 5-volt side here, because remember it's boosting from 3 something to 5, will just trigger and go to 0. Now, of course, it could be, like I said, something shorting us. Like it could be that, you know, the trinket here is triggering a power off signal. It could be something, but yeah, it keeps powering off. So I'm gonna figure out what that is. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade the software on my trinket with the update I made so that it's less sensitive to low light. Yeah. Okay.